Hi Jack, did you know I'm leaving New Zealand?
Hi Sarah. Yes, I heard the news. Why on earth are you leaving?
We have very low incomes here, compared to the high cost of living.
You need to change jobs.
My husband and I have changed jobs last year, but we have the same problem.
You're probably not trying hard enough. Why don't you try to find another higher paying job again?
Because there are not many high-paying jobs compared to other countries like America, Australia or Europe.
But this is paradise. You must be crazy to leave.
New Zealand is very pretty, but trees and mountains don't put food on the table.
You will miss New Zealand's lovely climate.
I'm not so sure. New Zealand has nearly twice the annual rainfall as London. The kids spend half of the year indoors.
I think you will come back to New Zealand soon.
Maybe, but there are nearly 1 million Kiwis who have moved overseas permanently over the last 10 years.
They are all crazy. This place is the best.
Yes, I love New Zealand, but we have come to the realization that we cannot afford to live here.
New Zealand will be better off without those losers who move overseas anyway.
I'm not so sure, most of them are skilled and qualified.
But I am sure they are not happy.
I'm not so sure, my friends that moved overseas now have money, cars, and houses. They tell me to move there every week.
But you won't find a job if everyone's moving overseas.
Actually, I already have 2 job offers overseas. Both of them offering 40% more than I could earn here.
Yes, but renting a house overseas will be too expensive.
No way. The house we are moving into is only half the price of renting in Auckland.
I don't understand anyone who would want to leave here. If you think things are bad, then you should stay and wait for things to get better.
Life is too short. I love New Zealand, but you only get one chance at life. This is not a dress rehearsal. I must try and make a better life for my family.
Well then I think maybe New Zealand will be better off without you.
I had no idea you felt that way about people who just want to improve their lives.
You sound like a typical national voter. You should wait for Labour to get back in power. They'll fix everything.
Whoa. Politics has nothing to do with my decision, Jack. This decision is for my family.
Whatever. You will be groveling black here soon, I promise.
Well, I hope I will come back, because I love New Zealand. But I only want to come back when I have managed a level of success.
I think you're insane. I have an awesome life. My benefit pays out each week and my fridge is almost full of Lion Red beer.
I'm genuinely happy for you, Jack, but we want more than what you have.
So you're greedy.
I think we should part company now, Jack. I hope your life continues to be happy and I wish you success.
You're a traitor.
What a horrible thing to say.
Well, you are. Like all those other national voters. They just want money.
I think we should stop this conversation. Please excuse me, Jack. I have to go and pick up my airline tickets now.
Coward.
Goodbye, Jack.